What another action-packed term we've had here at MLC, full of exciting activities and events. Over the Term 2 school holidays, our music students headed to Sydney for the Australian International Music Festival, where they achieved a well-deserved Silver Award. Meanwhile, a group of Years 10 and 11 students went on a 6-day bushwalk along the Jabula Trail as part of our Outdoor and Environmental Education Extension program. These out-of-the-classroom experiences broaden horizons and create a lifetime of memories for all involved. Our boarders are the heart and soul of the college, and in week 1 we welcomed their parents and caregivers onto campus for a boarders' parents' dinner. I had so many fantastic conversations with our boarding families, getting to hear about their day-to-day lives and their daughters' experiences in the MLC boarding house. The rain couldn't put a dampener on activities this term, with our Years 4 to 6 Field Events Carnival and Years 1 to 6 Inter-House Athletics Carnival showcasing the tenacity, grit and teamwork of our athletes. Well done to Athens for winning the Spirit Hat at Field Events and Sparta at Cross Country. And a big congratulations to Troy for winning the overall trophy at both carnivals. After months of rehearsing, the cast and crew of Matilda the Musical Junior took centre stage for the Years 7 to 12 college production. I was fortunate enough to attend with my family, and the atmosphere as I entered Hadley Hall and energetic chatter of the audience waiting for the show to start was incredible. Bravo to everyone involved. It was simply a triumph. MLC is proud to start a new chapter in her history with the unveiling of our strategic plan, Shaping Futures at MLC. Hosting a series of Shaping Futures information sessions for our parents, students and staff, we shared the college's new vision, mission and values, as well as the strategic pillars that underpin the plan. The response has been overwhelmingly positive, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds as we progress the plan and unveil exciting new projects here at MLC. In the junior years, we were joined on campus by our grandparents for a music concert and morning tea. We also invited our dads for a Barbie-themed Father's Day social put on by the parents of MLC. So much fun was had by all as they embraced getting into character. On Early Childhood Educators Day, we celebrated our amazing early learning team. It was so nice to show them how much we appreciate everything they do for our youngest minds here at MLC. It was another term of themed weeks, starting with STEM Week. From forensic science incursions to keynote addresses by leading professors, the week was jam-packed with exciting activities. In Arts Week, we celebrated our college's immense creativity with live musical performances, theatre sports and dancing in Hadley Hall, and a highly anticipated lip sync battle. The magic of reading came alive in Book Week, with the entire college coming together for a reading picnic, dress-up day and parade. The crescendo to a marvellous term of music and creative arts was the annual Year 12 showcase. The evening was a culmination of the hard work of our Year 12 Visual Arts, Textiles Design, Media and Music students, and I was struck by the depth of talent on display. The entire school came together as we announced the 2025 Prefecture. Congratulations to all the students who have been appointed to a formal role. MLC's foundation is built on a legacy of trailblazers who have led with courage and integrity, with and without formal positions, and I look forward to the impact our Year 12 class of 2025 will have on our college as they lead in their final year. Throughout the term, Team MLC visited our regional families and collegians in Karratha, Darwin and Margaret River. It was so lovely seeing old and new faces as we continue making connections across the state. In true MLC spirit, we finished the term as we started, at pace, with a leadership panel discussion with future MLC families, the kindergarten to pre-primary mini athletics carnival, Year 10 Small Business Day, the Prefect Induction Assembly and the Junior Years production. I can hardly believe the final term is upon us. Have a restful break, and I look forward to seeing you in Term 4, a time of farewells and festivities.